Okay, just a reminder for the mean value theorem. It says that the derivative at some point will equal, I'm using orange so you can see that this is for b, the work that we're doing now is for b, is going to equal the slope, which is, in this case, since we're looking at 1 to 3, it's going to be h of 3 minus h of 1, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So do we know h of 3? Yes, we worked on that, is negative 7. Do we know h of 1? Yes, we worked on that, that's 3. So if I solved it, I'm going to write over here, I'm going to have negative 7 minus 3 over 3 minus 1. That's going to be negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. So the slope from 1 to 3 is negative 5. So by the mean value theorem, there must be h prime of c such that it equals negative 5 because of the work that we did up here. Again, because of the mean value theorem, we did the slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So h of 3 minus h of 1 over 3 minus 1. We solved it, we got negative 5. Meaning at some point in between, there has to be a derivative that equals negative 5. Okay, for the closing question, you have the function. They want relative extrema. So get the derivative, which is 4x to the third minus 12x squared. Set it equal to 0. Factor out of 4x squared, you're left with x minus 3. You get an x equals 0 and x equals 3. So you have two possibilities right now, but you still have to check 0 and 3. Choose some numbers, and remember the extrema has to be changing from positive to negative or negative to positive. Okay, so figure out, do you have both 0 and 3 as the relative extrema? Is it just 0? Is it just 3? Okay, a few reminders now that you've done the entire review. Okay, for more practice, which is the only way that this will stick and you'll get better at it, is use the Barron's book, please. Okay, go to chapter 4, Applications of Differentiation. There's a lot of problems there, and you can check yourself afterwards. Again, I recommend doing about 5 problems, then checking your work, and then do 5 problems again, then check your work. I also gave you mock AP problems right here that involves derivatives. Additionally, please use Khan Academy. I wrote the link here. You can find it online. There's also some practice problems there. Okay, so again, to get better at this and for us to feel really confident, we have to practice more. Okay, so the more time you put in, the more you get out of it. And please stick with good practices like do 5 problems first and check your answers. I know I'm repeating myself, but just so we're all very clear about the expectations. Okay, that's it for this review.